How to play Wuthering waves in private server. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to play Wuthering waves on a private server, step by step. Whether you want to explore the game offline or test modes, this guide is for you. Tutorial step by step. Step 1. Install the official game. Download and install the official Wuthering waves game on your PC, either through the Epic Games or other platforms. Step 2. Download the necessary files. You need three things: the .NET SDK, the Community Server SDK, and a patch the game launcher. These are usually provided by provider server communities like WSNRFdev or GitHub. Step 3. Extract and copy files. Extract the path and SDK folders. Then, copy the client folder and the server files into your main game directory. Step 4. Install NET SDK. Run the NET SDK installer if you haven't done already. It's needed to run the private server backend. Step 5. Launch the servers. Open the SDK server and then Game Server X. Allow any firewall permissions. Step 6. Start the game. Now, open the patch the game launcher. You should see the game start in private mode, usually with a message on the screen confirming it. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Wuthering waves using a private server. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.